In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can mirror your MacBook to your TV. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your Mac and your TV are both on the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, next thing you want to do is right here on your screen, you'll see this little icon right here. Looks like two little pills that are stacked on top of each other. You're going to want to click on that. That's called the control center. Okay, and then now you're going to want to scroll right over here to this bubble right here. It shows two little squares. It's like two screens that are stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, and then what that's going to do, it's going to bring up all the TVs or devices that you can extend or mirror your Mac to. So I'm going to pick this one right here. This is my TV. It's a Samsung. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that now. Okay, and then this box comes up right here where it wants me to confirm a 4-digit number that'll be on my TV. Okay, when I do, this screen pops up now and it asks if I want to mirror the entire screen, a window or app, or an extended display. So that way you could just extend your computer screen to your TV. But we're going to mirror it. So I would click on entire screen and then you would click on start mirroring right here. Okay, and as you can see now, my screen is now on my TV and all the sound and everything will be on the TV and it'll be mirroring. Okay, and then when you want to stop mirroring, you just go back up to those two pills, the control center, click on that. Go ahead and click on this icon again right here. When you click on that, it says that it's currently mirroring. So you can click right there where it says stop mirroring. Those are the different options of how to mirror your Mac, iMac, MacBook Pro, any Mac to your TV.